What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a game pass in Roblox. So you might be looking for a way to create a game pass here in Roblox. Well, creating one is actually pretty easy. So first things first is you want to go to roblox.com here and you want to go and click on create at the very top. Now here in the creator hub here, what you need to do is you want to make sure that you're in your dashboard. So you want to click on dashboard here, but typically in here, you want to go and scroll, go to the left side here, click on creations. Now in here, you want to go and just basically select the creation that you may want to create your pass for. Let's go and choose this one, click on it. Now from here, we want to access the passes settings of our, in this case, our place here. So you want to go to left side here, want to scroll down a bit here until you see the option for monetization and you want to go to passes. Now here in passes, just click on create a pass. And from here, you go and just change the image for the pass that you want to use here. So any image can be used as long as it's under the .jpeg, .png, or .bmp file format. You can go ahead and add the name for your pass here and description for it. So in this case, it's going to just add one here as a test. Let's go and click on create pass. And from here, as you can see, this is our pass. Now from here, currently it's off sale. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically access their pass here. And in your pass, you want to go ahead and basically go to the left side here, go to sales, and you can go and specify the amount that you want to sell this for. Well, first you want to go and click on item for sale, and from here, how much you want to sell this for, and also if you wanted to enable regional pricing here. But yeah, so you can go and click on save changes here, click on proceed, and that should make your in this case your pass now available. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.